car like us.
The big truck's going through. Let's see. How high is it?
Can we make
It's
it?
halfway up their tires.
Okay, can we make it?
So if it's halfway up their tires, we could probably make it.
Okay, let's go fast.
We could always go. I don't know if you can go around the back side of the Holiday House. I think you can. Come on, truck, you can do it.
Come on, you can do it. Be smart.
Just eyeing it up. Not sure.
Oh, he's going. That's just cool.
It's right up to his bumper. Well, it's not that deep then.
Oh, there's a boat.
8 to 10 inches.
Yeah, there's a boat.
That's interesting. Hopefully his boat doesn't float off of there, huh?
That's just amazing. Can I get out and walk through it? No, not walk through it.
Not with cars like that going through it.
That was awesome. And they didn't stall out.
No, he was lucky. Sounds like his engine's stuck in water, though.
Oh, no, they're not going to make it. They're going to give up.
I don't know. He's eyeing it up. He thinks he can make it.
What about her?
She's trying to talk him out of it.
Oh, they're going to give up.
She talked him out of it.
Bad girl. When you go through it, it's getting deeper. Now would be the time.
No, I think it's almost done raining. It's getting shallower right now, actually.
Well, then do it. Do it then, Dad. Do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Let's do it.
There's a car right down the middle.